guys have been doing is we have the commission formulas and SPIF formulas defined in the system, and based on the PowerPoint presentations, we have created these formulas. Now if you see this base commission formula will be different for part-time, full-time, for regular employee, for mall in line, for kiosk, and for training store.
You can't select one for everybody?
We can select one for everybody if they, let's say, if
Like
it is
that's the same, like the base commission is the same for everybody.
part-time, full-time, everybody.
Everybody.
So if it is same, then I'll just create a new one. RSA base commission. I'll remove that. It's for retail sales associate. I'll not check anything here, and I'll not have anything here. Then it is applicable to everybody.
Perfect.
And we can delete all these multiple.
Now, where would it say that it's being, you know, like the 10% is of their net revenue?
Okay. Percentage of revenue. The wordings for these have to be changed.
Okay, but the system would know that?
Yeah, based on that, okay, revenue, 10% of the revenue generated by that RSA.
Right, but it's going to be net revenue. Like, that's the big thing to make sure it's being
Right.
out. Okay.
This one, when you go through the formulas, since you have access to this one, you go through the formulas, let us know what should be
the verbiage on it?
Verbiage on
okay.
it. And we will change accordingly.
Okay.
Let's say going forward in the future, you want to make it as a flat commission amount. We gave this option. If you keep it 0, it will just calculate only this. If you have something here, it will add that.
Perfect.
Again, start date, end date, end date. Our plan is keep 12/31/2020 for everything.
Perfect. Right.
If you're giving flat notes amount, that won't happen. But if you're giving flat notes, just remove that percentage and select a flat commission amount and see, okay, $100 flat. And then if in the left, you can see the screen, basic commission, base box commission, figure commission, goal attainment, profitability of market share, those everything has a separate formula. Okay?
Perfect.
You can do any other formula.
Right. Perfect.
Now the same thing with STL also. We have defined based on the part-time, full-time, which store they belong to. Will it be the same across the board even for those?
For the base commission?
Yes.
Yes, that's just the same. Right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Now base box commission formula. That is not there for RSC. Let's go to kicker commission. Kicker commission varies by revenue goal attainment, box goal attainment, store revenue. Will this vary among, again, full-time, part-time? It's the same?
The same. The only thing that the full-time, part-time thing affects is the goal calculation. So one's going to be considered 1, one's going to be considered 0.8.
Okay.
So that's the only thing that
So not in
affects.
the revenue calculation.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
How about the store in which they are working? Will that have any effect on kicker commission?
No, not on that portion.
So I'm making it 1
Yep.
across the board for RSA 2022-11 and say STL, will it vary or it will be the same?
It'll be the same. What's that? You want me to do this? Um,
You will have a handle of it.
yeah.
So these kicker commission is there only for RSA and STL? No, vision rewards. Delete all the food. You want to do it?
Sure. So we could do,
Keep the designation name or whatever naming convention, because anything you are defining here in vision rewards elite bonus is vision rewards elite bonus.
right. So I'd write it like this.
Is it the same across the board or it will vary by designation?
It's different for the sales reps, different for STLs.
So if you keep naming convention with, okay, for this designation, this is the formula that applies, it will be easy for you.
So write RSA up here, or
Yeah.
is this going to be, is this section going to have everybody in there?
Write RSA here. And designation, check the retail sales associate. Type it.
Oh. Just RSA?
No, you have to
Retail? Okay.
Yeah. You will come you can pick from there. Start date, we are giving 8:31. No, you have to do the oblique. Not eligible when you're doing the save.
What's that?
When you're trying to save, we'll see.
Oh, you mean the dashes?
Mhm.
Oh, wait. Which one do I need? This one?
Yeah, your question mark.
Oh, I'm so used to doing dashes.
Roger. Mhm.
Is this where you put the, or does it put it over here? Oh, does it put 10%? Okay. Okay. Kiosk doesn't have an E at the end of it, just so you know. So they'll create one for every, even though it has multiple positions in here.
Next time when you do for storing, you skip the first section, you enter the second section.
Oh, search. What's that? Okay. But it's not 2%, it's just 2. So this knows that this is 10% and this is knows 2? Okay. Okay. Got it. Let's see, what is this? 100?
Yeah, they're giving me a car. They want to take my car back and give me a new car. I don't know.
Oh my God. Did you ask them why? All right, cool. And just create a new one. This right here.
This section is for kiosk, store manager.
Oh, just kidding. Yep.
This is also having the same 10%.
Yeah, this is the same though. So I don't know if you need these separate. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, this is because we want to keep everything in the same master. You can keep everything
Okay.
the same. That's it. So it's the same 10 to
125.
see it. Section now. You see the label, it mentions 2 team lead and
Oh, I see.
so here is store manager, marketing.
Why did you put those together but not a manager?
Because in PPT we see that was in a separate.
These three of them are basically, this is RSM. This is only for RSM. Kiosk store manager.
It's all the same though. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, one thing it has leaderboard top 10% revenue company.
See this one?
Yeah.
This one will vary.
They all are the same. It's the same. These should have this too.
Okay, so these two are the same naming convention?
Same everything, yeah. You should just combine these with here. These should be the same. There should be this box for them too.
Oh, even for MID?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, then we can keep it everywhere.
But we don't have.
It may just be a typo. Because if you look on that, like when we were putting all the commissions, copying and pasting from the DSR, everybody has 2. Yep, which is going to be exactly this. Yeah.
So even for manager and development and STF.
Yeah.
Okay. Dheeraj, is that something that you can open the menu and comment out the code? Then maybe we can do that one. We'll ask Lindsey to add even those formulas for STL and MID in the same RSMID.
What, how would you do this?
Top market percentage revenue to go, region level.
What would I put here? Because that's what it is. It should be the top market at the region level, percent to goal.
Top 10, top 5,
Nope, just the top one.
or
Per,
one.
even, and it knows that this means per region, so there's gonna be three.
Only three
So we have
regions.
three regions, and there's gonna be the top market per region. Yep.
Okay, that we'll understand it when it
Okay.
Set the one. So in case if future changes something like that.
Okay.
These naming conventions, we'll do one thing, Dheeraj. We'll work on the naming convention. Meanwhile, you just document color.
Now, this is, what is this? This is for the top
market
5.
rankings. Click on add an item. Dheeraj? Market manager commission, top market rank sequence.
It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the top one.
So just,
I'll tell you. This one you.
so I'd have to just type 1 or,
So first, how much amount it is the commission?
okay. I've got it open right here.
Okay.
All right. Where are you? One.
Okay. Shall we see what is difference again from we start from base commission formula. Lindsey. You want to see the workers once again, starting from base commission formula. Formula name, designation, we can assign only one designation. Start date, end date, employee type, if you want to specify full-time, part-time. Stores, online, kiosk, regular training. Product type, if you have any such situation. Based on trade class type, you can specify it here. Percentage of revenue, 10%. If it is flat, you will mention here. And we are giving a notes option just if you want to make any notes.
Okay.
Okay. Base commission formula. Again, formula base box commission. This is sales team lead. It's common across the board, so we just get no classification.
Now, just want to make sure the system knows that this is net box. Like on the back end, it knows that that's what it's paying off of.
So here, flat commission amount
Right.
is the net box.
Right.
I guess all the calculations is on the net, right?
Pretty much. Yeah. I mean, the gross is used for goal calculation only, but like payout is always going to be based on the net.
So flat commission amount per box, so you want it to be as, instead of per box, do you want us to keep net box?
I mean, that's fine as long as it knows in the system on the back end that it's paying on the net.
Calculated?
Yeah.
Okay.
Same thing with the base, the base commission formula too.
Okay.
So yeah, that would be base commission, not basic.
Oh, okay. Percentage of revenue.
Right, that would be net revenue. Yeah. This is Sebastian here too. Yeah. I've been here.
And then you like certain programs that we have like special on there.
Special?
Like besides
No.
just the division.
Yeah. Yeah. Sweet. Goodbye, computer. Stupid, slow computer.
Okay. Percentage to receive box code. Pick a commission formula.
That is, we need to have 35%, right? To get box. First, let's say 16 euros.
Yeah. Yep.
We need to specify 85%.
Gotcha.
Okay?
Here,
Yeah. Only then you'll so if it changes to in the future 84, where if you are
Right.
you can change it to or the uniform. Fundamental is the same, just you have to make it inactive. That's it.
so managers, again it is the same across the board or will it vary? I think it varies.
For which one?
Yeah.
Oh, they're all the same.
But it varies amount 1.5, 2.5.
Right, because 1.5 is for the manager and development, and all the retail store managers, they're all.
Okay.
But like, you don't have to do one for kiosk manager and regular store manager.
And again here it is 85%.
Yes, they're all 85.
So for all the rest it is only one.
Only one?
So can we keep it as common store manager?
Yep.
No, but we need one for each individual because
Why?
only one designation can be tried in here. It's not possible.
Well, that's fine. It's the store classification that would. So you just leave that blank.
Like the store classification, like designation, as we were discussing yesterday, we'll have single RSM like a designation, and then we'll segregate based on the store classification.
Yeah, because a manager can be at a regular store and then transfer next month to a kiosk.
So it's only one destination, right? RSM.
RSM
Yeah.
is one, but
Yep. And based on the
there's
store they're
only
at, that's
so
what
many.
it'll,
Okay.
yeah.
This will become handled.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
perfect.
2.5 again 85%.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Once you go with this, actually, you need to tell like, dude, we need to verify all the formula.
Yeah.
Okay, before we start. It's not like
Oh,
you
yeah.
pay first.
Yes.
It's only 3.
Only 3.
Kicker commission formula. Retail sales associate.
So to say like 100
Which one?
for these.
No.
This is going to say whether or not they get the payout. Is that what this is
No,
supposed to be?
this is in future.
Oh, okay.
Percentage, this is flat
okay.
amount.
This is
Gotcha.
like the amounts field, what you're seeing right now is like.
If you want to be like a flat dollar amount,
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
And kicker commission is only for RSA and listed.
Mm-hmm.
And here it is 102 or 115. I think it is.
It's 10.
10.
They don't have a box goal
Okay.
because they get the box commission payout.
Okay. Now this one. Again, here for RSM, will it be the same across the board?
It'll be the same. Only when you get into like the spiffs. Yep.
Okay. Revenue goal.
This one. You see, if it goes past 100%,
Mhm.
then we have that factor multiplied by 100%.
Perfect.
So you have to multiply the factor. But
Oh,
this
yeah.
here, it goes up around 100%. This you see the $600 which is multiplied for our.
Yeah.
So this is for $600 only. If it's, if he touches 100% dot, which won't happen. Especially if he attaches, then this will be the flat amount.
Right.
And then we have this 94 to 95% bracket, 85 to 84%.
Mhm.
0 to 3.
Perfect.
So we didn't keep it fixed. Okay, if the bracket changes, so you can just go and change it.
Got it.
We don't need to have a fixed field like we have for 100%.
Yeah.
And you see, that is minimum percentage and maximum percentage. So it should be 95 to 99.99, 90 to 94.99.
Perfect.
And the commission amount.
Now, all these are same.
Yep.
So, next, market manager.
Mhm.
You see the amounts, Lindsey?
Yep.
Director of sales. Top box PSA goal assignment. This one is new. We have to add. So, for whom it is applicable?
So marketing. Yes, easy. Easy is that.
Is this supposed to be the box goal attainment?
Yeah. This reason is that.
Top box PSA goal.
Oh, yeah, we can change that. It should be just box goal attainment. It doesn't have to say top PSA. I don't know why it says that on there.
Do you want to enter that?
It should just be box goal attainment. Yeah. And market manager should have the same.
Why does he have two specific percentages? Like, he also has the revenue goal and also only he has that two brackets.
Like sales reps have the same thing. So it's the box goal and the revenue goal. It's just it just says it weird for some reason on that. So instead of saying top box PSA goal attainment, just have it say box goal attainment. Per store average, it's the same thing, but I don't know why it says top in there. But
We just copy paste it.
I know you did. Yeah. So I can just say box goal attainment.
you want to define that?
Sure.
So this starts with market manager.
Yeah. All right. Where is your? Okay. So see, I don't know. There's for market manager says total box PSA goal attainment. I don't know. It's just say box goal attainment. Yeah. All right. So. Oops.
So in defining these formulas, you want us to add any validations so that no mistakes are done in case like, so for example, he enters 85 and then by mistake enters 75.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It'd be like this has to be,
In case.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. Oh my
95 to 99. No, that will come automatically once you move on to the different tab.
50. And then up here. Oop.
Create.
Ah.
Nothing is coming over there.
Oh, awesome.
No, one moment. Windows P. Extend. You have to. Now 80 to 84.99.
Oops. That is wrong. 89. See, that's where you need to make it yellow at me and say, no, that's wrong. Oh, is there any way to, is there any way to make it not do that? Like make it stay on the,
Going on to different applications.
84.99. Right.
oh. I go to the profitability?
Again, this one, same for the store managers, it is same across the board.
Yeah. For this one, yeah.
So edit that one to store manager and we'll delete the rest.
All right.
Just delete market.
I can just delete this?
Yep.
Okay.
Same. Okay, manager and development, you want to see the numbers once. Correct?
Yep.
And if you want to see the next one, just
Now, the plan is to have the market manager and the director of sale also have
you
them.
select them.
Okay. On here. So, how do we do this?
Oh, that is different.
Which one?
This is a separate section.
Is it for market manager? Okay.
Separate section.
Oh, okay. Like it's here? Okay.
Market share profitability.
This is a lot of. These are checkpoints like labor budget should be this much percentage conversion should be this much.
Right.
And then you get this percentage of market profit.
Gotcha.
If you hit that, miss that matrix, then it should be 1%.
Gotcha.
So there are three factors: labor budget, percentage conversion, and factor of use.
Perfect.
Okay, you want to see all the 7 formulas?
So director of sales is the same.
For those who don't have that miss matrix, it should be 0 for them.
Right.
Here, this is different. That's why we have defined it.
Yes, this one you need to. Yeah.
And again, is this trade class prime only for kiosk or just only app conversion?
It's only for the app conversion,
So
the
it
prime
doesn't
app
matter.
version.
Prime app conversion? Again,
Yeah.
Then this is correct.
Is that, I guess, if that's how you, I don't know if that's gonna,
Yeah, identifying it based on that.
okay.
It's a person, there are two conversions. One is normal.
This is, which, I mean, this is not a calculation that we do, it's just part of an upload,
Right.
you know? Okay.
But if it is app conversion, then we'll remove prime because if you remove prime, it will calculate both prime and subprime.
But it won't calculate, it shouldn't calculate anything. You know what I mean? Like this number is gonna be from an upload, from an import. You know,
So
we're not
where-
calculating anything.
Where do you get this number from?
That's gonna be from one of the reports that Rupa uploads.
So that report we are getting from where?
T-Mobile.
T-Mobile.
Yeah. So we won't be you know what I mean? So we're not gonna be calculating anything for that.
This is just a checkpoint to give commission. That's it.
Yeah.
In which case, let us keep the percentage conversion alone. Okay.
We will have to designate management development. We'll have to have those broken out.
Which one?
So this, because this could be kiosk, you know, regular store, training store. So we do the same thing for them.
Oh, even for manager and development?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. So will it vary?
Yeah, because it's the goal. It's these metric goals that's what's different.
Okay. Can you open this manager and development? Edit. Store classification, let's say make this one as regular store.
Yeah, we can do regular. Regular.
Save. Now go to market. Click. Go to more. Duplicate. Edit.
I think. Oh, okay.
Yes. Change.
Six, I believe. Hey. My login, what?
Username, password.
For what?
Microsoft.
Oh.
Thank you, Cam.
No problem.
Online is only 6.
I believe.
Duplicate for kiosk. Now here 60% is that for applications?
Right. Prime app conversion.
That's prime applications.
Right.
So in that case, then can we take credit classification to be as prime or
That's just it all from the import.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's not a calculation we do because we don't have access to that. It's just from a T-Mobile report.
Okay.
Right.
No, using the words delete bonus. STL and MID you can delete them because we removed that one and we updated it. So we'll create them again.
Okay. The MID and the STL.
Now open one RSA.
Open RSA.
See all the numbers and everything. Okay. Now see the next one. STL. RSM.
Just edit it. This is RSM, right?
So it is same across the board. From no matter whether
Yes.
they work in online or
Yep. Oh, okay. So used to the next button being at the bottom of the page. Current DSM. Oh. Here's the DOS.
RSM, RSA, MID, STL, LN, device. It is the same across the board.
Mm-hmm. So just because this is just the top, so just I just write one.
Yep.
750, I think.
Okay.
There we go. We already got them.
You have to do this here. Not needed. That's it.
That's it.
Okay. So we are done with commissions, all formulas you have.
Mm-hmm. You go to spiffs? Oh boy.
First question to you is this mobile internet.
Mm-hmm.
What are the, this is the file that you have shared with us. Software categorization. Now, what are the software that come under mobile internet?
I think I should have,
They're coming in the postpaid,
they are a postpaid.
they're prepaid, mobile internet codes.
Yeah, so in here. So they are postpaid 1 and 2, but we just have a secondary metric to flag it on the back end to say this is it's a postpaid 1 and 2. That's a mobile internet.
Okay.
And you can see what happens to these. So if it's a mobile internet, we exclude it from the 3 gig attachment, and it excludes from jump unless it's a tablet,
Okay.
which is calculated, that's determined by the IMEI. So if the IMEI says it's a tablet, then it's included in the jump attachment. But if it's not a tablet, it doesn't get included.
We have to import tab codes list.
Which I sent you that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that can change. It'll have to be something accessible for us to re-import all the time, because as T-Mobile adds new phones and stuff like that, we have to re-upload it and refresh the system.
Is it like that is mobile internet somehow doesn't have a separate product type, like for postpaid we have postpaid 1 and 2.
It is a postpaid 1 and 2.
Postpaid 1 and 2.
Yeah, that's how it's calculated.
Mobile internet codes too.
Right. Those those are in a separate bucket of things. So, like you have postpaid 1 and 2 on regular credit, prime, subprime, and you have prepaid, and you have simple choice no credit. Those are technically in like a prepaid section. So if you see in our current DSR, like we have a spot where it counts the different types of products. I don't know if you have the DSR. Do you have the DSR up anywhere?
Just no, go to this. Yeah.
This one.
WE1 vision. Enter.
Look at the current dashboard. So over here, it shows a breakdown of like the count of everything, right? So you have postpaid deposit. These are the postpaid 1 and 2 stock codes. Add-a-lines, the mobile internet stuff is right here. You know, these are going to be postpaid 1 and 2 that are mobile internet. So the ones that are flagged here will show up here in this column. Then we have the small business, which is the B2B stuff. This total postpaid is basically adding up all these guys. That equals this. Upgrades or upgrades. And then you have the simple choice no credit, monthly 4G, which is just a regular prepaid, and total prepaid. And if you scroll over even further, you can see mobile internet postpaid, which are, you know, the regular stock codes, mobile internet prepaid, which is the simple choice no credit, and the regular prepaid. Then it does a total mobile internet.
Can you do a zoom now? If we go back to the Excel sheet. Okay, let's consider all these are only postpaid 1 and 2. They can come under B2B, they can come under mobile internet or postpaid related. Okay. All these circles we are seeing are postpaid 1 and 2.
All are going to be postpaid 1 and 2. That's just how they come through.
Now, postpaid 1 and 2 has either postpaid, it can be add-a-line, it can be a B2B. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you have prepaid, where you have prepaid monthly 4G codes.
Right. That's all of these guys.
Regular,
They're flagged as,
prepaid.
you know, these ones are flagged as prepaid. So they're all these guys.
And the other one is simple choice no credit.
Right. Which those come through as a postpaid 1 and 2. These ones that say simple choice no credit, simple choice no credit. So all of these they come through like postpaid 1 and 2. But the simple choice no credit, they're considered in the prepaid world. So these would be all the mobile internet, simple choice no credit. Because when you're entering these in the DSR, you're going to enter them under the postpaid 1 and 2.
Okay.
But it gets counted separately.
So mobile internet belongs to prepaid. How do you enter that?
For which one?
For prepaid mobile.
You're going to enter it under prepaid?
You enter
Yep. And they'll just choose from the drop down. You know, it's going to have a drop down with the list. So there's no stock codes for prepaid. We're just making these up. So it's just going to be, they're just going to choose it from the drop down, the rate plan that they got.
So that means there are two types of mobile internet. One is prepaid and one is postpaid.
Exactly.
Now, how do you want us to define the system? Now, in our system we have this activation type as postpaid, and that we have postpaid 1 and 2 add line B2B, and postpaid 1 and 2 we have the softwares.
Right.
Add line we have the softwares. B2B have the softwares. Activation type as prepaid, under that we have prepaid product type, under that we have the description. All the softwares which we provide. Now, in what hierarchy you want to focus? Because now postpaid 1 and 2, and under postpaid 1 and 2 you're saying mobile internet.
That's nothing that we, like, that's just going to be flagging it for calculation. It's not going to, you know, there's nothing we want to like see that's going to have it say that.
The reason why we're pressing on that is because there in the Swift we have this MI convention, mobile internet.
Yeah, so exactly. So like all these calculations are based on system flagging these specifically.
So when we say mobile internet conversion, are we taking only postpaid or prepaid too?
It's only, I think it's both. It's both.
So it's both. Then whatever is a mobile internet related software will pick everything into the
Right.
calculations.
Yeah.
It's like let's have an identifier, like a checkbox or something, which will identify
Yeah,
it's
so-
a mobile internet. In respect to whatever-
Like I'll show you, like right now. So this is how the SOC codes look right now. So right now I have a mobile internet checkbox in here, and then I choose, because we need to categorize this as 1 gig, 3 gig, or 5 gig plus, because we have those spiffs that are attached to that. So that's, you know, that's what we have right now. So that's what's going to flag it as a mobile internet, and then we also have to do like a secondary mobile internet flag, just saying, okay, what type is it?
Okay, if we uncheck mobile internet,
It'll just be a regular postpaid.
even mobile internet rate plan is disappeared.
If we uncheck this, it'll still have this rate plan. It just won't be counted as a mobile internet.
Okay.
It'll just be a regular postpaid 1 and 2.
With 5 GB.
Nope, it'll just be a regular postpaid.
So that 1 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB data
Is only for mobile internet.
Yes, do you need that for mobile internet? Do you subcategories 3 GB, or just take a checkbox and leave it?
No, we need that.
You need it because
3 GB plus, we have a calculation.
the spiffs for the sales associates, they have a spiff based on the 1, the 3, and the 5 G. That's why we have it. Yep.
So here we just have a field because we are really confused on the mobile internet part. We have checkbox and we have subcategories.
Yeah. The big thing too is like when we're exporting, because we always need to be able to export the data, is that it has, you know, like it'll say postpaid next, you know, like, because it'll have to have like a product type. So it'll have to be, you know, it'll basically say postpaid.
Yeah, so we haven't gone through with you the configuration for the product types and the product code types right now. We went through everything, but we don't know the format. Now I'll tell you how we, for the data feature. Now we have this 3 GB file. There are many software which are 3 GB, there are many software which are 11 GB. So we have the primary product type has, say, data plan. Then we have a subcategory which is 3 GB, and then we have software under that. So it's a, like, you can say category, subcategory,
Yeah.
and the products.
Yeah, because we need to be able to, we need to flag things like that. Yeah.
So just correct me if I'm wrong. Postpaid, and the postpaid will have this 3 GB, 5 GB, and under 3 GB, 5 GB, you'll have this mobile internet. So
Yeah, like you can see how like we have it right here, which is perfect. That would be great. Even like if you look at like a feature, you know, so we have it categorized as a data feature, right? The plan code type is 5 GB. Yeah, they're like we have all these different drop downs for like what it is. So that's what all we would need like, for the feature.
because we are not comparing with the current DSL, but you want it this way, right? So that you have this subcategory section.
Yeah,
And
because there's lots of things that are like tied to it, like spiffs, you know, like whatever, you know, or even if they want to see like a report that's like, what's the attachment rate for only unlimited? We have to like figure that, you know, we have to do that with just, figure out a way to identify it that way.
Maybe can we keep it as a, like how we have prepaid and upgrade the secondary category?
We have this data pack, data feature, we have this 3 GB, and in the 3 GB we have this numerous number of sockets which are in 3 GB. Same postpaid one and two would be the primary category, and that we have this 3 GB, 5 GB section. Inside that we'll have the mobile phone type, because these guys need that product code type: 3 GB mobile internet sockets, 5 GB mobile internet sockets, and other stuff.
The big thing is we need to have like, these are what, like we would need for like disputing, we would need to have this populate, like, cause this had to be like the product type, you know? Or if it was an upgrade, like obviously it'd have to populate as an upgrade, but like, we would need all of that, you know, just based on whatever transaction type they did, you know, have it be a, you know, postpaid or an add-a-line or a data feature or an upgrade.
Right now, postpaid one and two only the mobile internet.
I'll show you what it looks like right now. Like, if we export the DSR. So you can see this is how it exports right now. If we need certain things for dispute to populate. I don't know if Rupa showed you like the form that we need to spit it out in. Like it has to be like,
We haven't gone to that discussion.
okay.
At all.
But even if we want to export the DSR, we need all of these fields to populate. You know, like customer name, like you can see how it says like the regular number, the temporary number, customer name, SIM, INEI. We need that stuff to export as a text so we get the full digits. You know, have to have an activity type, which will be, you know, act for pretty much everything. You know, activation date. And so here under the product is going to say like what it was. So data feature, contract renewal, data feature postpaid. That's what they did today. So it needs to populate like that. So if we can always call upgrades upgrades, but in the T-Mobile world, it's a contract renewal. And that's even though they're not renewing their contract, but that's just, you know, the product that they use. It needs to be in that format, you know, with that verbiage to be able to process and dispute.
When they have done, they might have hard-coded that contract renewal.
Yes. Which, although we haven't had a contract renewal in probably 2 years, like that's just how it is.
Okay.
Derivative access in sockets. Postpaid one and two are segregated with the mobile internet only.
Internet, it can be prepaid.
Yeah, I want to see what are the subcategories. I mean, how can we subcategorize it? If we say that, you know,
Use postpaid 1 and 2. All that is MBB, they are mobile internet.
Right.
That's it.
now Lindsey has product type as postpaid one and two.
Mm-hmm.
And see the product code type. It's 3 GB, 3 GB, 3 GB plus, and then simple choice and see, and then extra. So you're saying are these subcategories?
Yeah. So you can see like over here, I think it has, does it have it? I don't know, maybe not. But yeah, we would have to have, you know, a subcategory of what it is, 1 gig, 3 gig, or 5 gig plus. Yeah, we'd have to add add another.
What you are saying, mobile internet in the last column.
Yeah.
Okay. Product code type. You have mobile internet here.
Yep.
Now this one has postpaid and B2B also.
Some of these are B2B that are mobile internet.
Now, prepaid, we don't have soft codes, but still we have prepaid mobile internet
Right.
plans.
Yep.
So postpaid, 1 and 2, add a line, upgrade, these are applicable.
So they're never going to come through as an add-a-line. They're always going to be a postpaid. Yeah.
We don't have this info in that sheet, right? 1GB, 4GB.
Yeah, in this sheet we don't have this.
We can pull it over. Yeah.
So shall we do it right now so that we will import
Yeah.
this one?
Here, do you want to do a quick?
Done deal.
Yep. That's what we do.
So now, if we have the filter, is all our mobile internet.
Mm-hmm.
We have 31 postpaid, but we don't have anything in B2B.
I don't know why the B2B ones wouldn't show up yet.
Postpaid. Postpaid 1 and 2. We're missing B2B.
Yeah, let's see.
Lost my keys the other night. Did I leave them in here? I was cleaning up the last.
Oh no. That's weird. Yeah, it seems to be some missing from this side. Send me your file and I'll look and see why there'd be some missing. You didn't delete anything, did you? Doesn't look like there's any B2B in there.
Now this one is your primary classification, postpaid and B2B. Why
Right,
don't-
like you have it selected for just the mobile internet.
Right.
Which, what sort of report would you have, like, just? Yeah, generally, if you're saying like, I want to do something for postpaid, it's gonna be all postpaid, you know. Right, exactly. And,
This is what we have this, okay, mobile internet thing when person used to go,
right,
stuff like that. But in general, if you say everything for postpaid on India, that means mobile internet coming in the way also is not related to mobile.
as long as you could also, if you wanted to like break it down even further, if you wanted to see just postpaid 1 and 2, and like, what does it look like? Okay, just postpaid 1 and 2 and just mobile internet, you know what I mean? You see those separate? But yeah.
So it comes under that.
Even when we get paid from T-Mobile, it's gonna come paid as a postpaid.
In postpaid,
Yeah.
mobile,
Yep.
prepaid,
Prepaid will show up as a prepaid. Yep.
it comes as a red line, right? 15.5.
For which one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll show it's a postpaid. It'll just say, yeah. Yep.
Lindsey. Now this is the extract from our current DSR. So everything is mapped correctly in the current DSR, right?
Yes. Now in here, there's a lot of stuff that is not current.
Okay.
Like we don't even need. Like there's, you know, you see in the product tab, there's like contract renewal. But that's before, like we used to just track contract renewals as contract renewals, not actually grab the actual SAC codes.
Okay.
So that's why you can see that in there. So that's why you don't have that on your.
So if I send this file, can
Yeah.
you update this and send it to us?
Yep. Send it to me. I'll
Because
like something got
here
deleted.
we have added this transaction type. We have added this secondary product type. The rest all is a file what you gave.
Yeah.
So if you can add even those mobile internet SAC codes.
Yeah,
into
yeah. It
this.
looks like there's things that got deleted.
Again, we can use the same sheet to import. Otherwise, we have to
Yeah.
see how it is done again.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. We can start off with this.
Okay.
Make a note that we have to upload the type codes list.
So this knows that it's $1.50 per jump feature.
Per box. Per feature, yes.
Okay.
We will change the overlays.
Don't change the
Okay.
Because once you get into like the STL, it's just a flat dollar amount, not a per. So this one for the, they have to be per jump that they sold. Also, just to make a note too, like for chargebacks, like let's say they sell a jump feature in October, they get paid the spiff, they get paid the commission, that feature gets canceled 2 months later, they need to be charged back for everything that, the spiff and for everything they were paid. So they still get charged back the spiff too.
Okay. One more question to you regarding the short codes. Now in the current DSR, I have seen some with
Nope.
smart access.
Scratch that off. Same thing with contract renewal. Scratch that off.
This is upgrade,
Yeah.
so I can rename this to as upgrade, right?
There's no SOC codes for upgrades.
Okay.
Yeah.
The same whatever is. Now, what we have done is whatever is coming for prepaid, add a line, B2B or postpaid. Those three will be even applicable for upgrade. Are we
Right.
correct?
Yes.
Now, simple choice, what is it? SCNC. What is
Yep.
it?
Simple choice, no credit.
Okay. Now, what is the significance of this?
So it's going to be, there's basically there's prime credit, deposit, prepaid, and simple choice, no credit.
Okay.
Simple choice, no credit is kind of like a hybrid between both like a deposit customer, because that's how you enter them in. You enter them in like a postpaid, but it needs a secondary flag on the back end to consider it kind of like, like it counts it like in our current reporting.
You have to open and just close.
Oh, okay. Well, you saw like it's counted in the prepaid section. It's not like right now you can see prime, deposit, add-a-line, mobile internet, B2B, total postpaid, and then that's the simple choice no credit is considered simple choice no credit, prepaid, total prepaid. So
It's considered along with prepaid.
yeah, only when you enter it in, you're going to enter it in under the postpaid, choose either, one and two or add a line, and you're going to be entering that in.
So we have it classified under postpaid, but the calculations are being done under prepaid.
Nope, it's 2 times the MRC. It's like a deposit customer is how they're calculated, but there's certain things that they're excluded from, like they cannot have jump, so they're excluded from jump. They're excluded from the 3 gig attachment calculation.
Okay, this is a prepaid transaction. So do you want us to categorize SCNC into any of the subcategories?
Not here, not that anyone would see, but in the background it's going to calculate.
Background.
Yeah, it needs to be flagged. So there's
So
certain
same
things like
mobile internet, how we are going to have a check option. Do
we need some sort of, because right now in the current DSR, in the drop, there's a drop down that that basically categorize it as a simple choice no credit. So basically what you would do, just choose that.
Put time.
And that would flag it on the back end. So it's still gonna be a postpaid, but it's calculated, it's like a secondary flag. Okay, simple choice, no credit, and it does this, this, and this if it's flagged like that, you know. This one is just like basically the feature categorization. So we don't use, like for a regular postpaid, there's no secondary categorization for this unless it's a mobile internet, or it's a simple choice, no credit, which we could also just do another checkbox, you know, it wouldn't have to be in the drop down. This is basically all feature stuff and this. So for a postpaid, you wouldn't use anything in here other than this. So we could totally have like a checkbox, like how mobile internet's like that.
So can you, when you're sending us the updated sheet along with mobile internet, can you add even simple choice, no credit?
Yep, and we have that right now. But
We have that right now? Okay. Go to this folder.
or did you close it out?
Yep, this is fine.
This one? So simple choice, no credit.
Yeah.
There's more than this, but
Yeah, can you please verify once?
what's that?
Yeah, when you're sending the mobile internet.
Yeah,
So
but
product code type, we'll make sure that we have simple choice.
yeah, so it's you know, and there's also simple choice, no credit, mobile internet, you know, so it has to be postpaid, and there'd be, you know, you have to check off mobile internet and check off that it's simple choice, no credit. Yeah.
Okay. What are the business rules for simple choice, no credit? You're saying that you can't attach a jump?
You cannot attach jump because they can't do EIP, and they're excluded from the 3 gig attachment calculation. So they don't help you or hurt you. They don't go into that eligible transaction calculation.
I'm sorry, no jump?
No jump.
Okay.
And they're not included in the 3 gig attachment calculation.
Not included in 3 gig calculation.
Yep. So they don't help or hurt you. And you know how there's for the features, if you do like a 3 gig or higher data feature, there's that $15 revenue spiff. They do not get that.
Yeah, it's excluded.
That's
3 gig plus attachment calculation.
Plus the revenue that's generated, like normal revenue for this.
Okay.
Yeah. So for this, the revenue would be 2 times the MRC. It's kind of like a deposit customer. And normally, like if it's a regular deposit customer, they would also get a $15 revenue spiff added on to, you know, the revenue for that feature. For this one, it would not generate that. It does not get that extra. It would just be 2 times the MRC.
For this one, it is 2.5. So we need only 2 times.
Yep.
Subprime?
Right, that's what it is. That's why it's the same.
Okay. Phone spiff?
Yep, phone spiff is generated. And the only other thing, you can't do upgrades on those, so those are excluded. If anyone tries to do an upgrade, enters, you know, one of the simple choice no credit SOC codes, it has to be like, nope,
Okay.
simple choice no credit.
I think I had a quick question for you, and then you can come back if
Okay,
she can do that.
fantastic. I will be right back.
No, for me, this one, because simple choice no credit product codes है postpaid के अंदर हाँ no prepaid के अंदर है postpaid के अंदर है मोबाइल इंटरनेट दोनों जगह पे है तीनों जगह पे है but there is no clarity for what now we know okay certain calculations are being done
guys still meet me at like 4:30? Would that help? Or I'm not sure like where you guys are at with everything today. I think she'll be
How is
back
your
up, but-
schedule tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I know they're trying to close this early at like 3, so I'm probably gonna try to get in here at like 7:30. I'll be here like early, so I can knock everything out, and then maybe between like 1 and 3 or something, we can find some time if you guys,
Yeah,
if that's easier.
1 and 3 should be better because I definitely cannot come around 7:30.
Oh no, I don't maybe a little bit. You don't sleep, I know that.
And that tomorrow we have a prayer. I mean, it's actually an auspicious day, festival day in India.
I gotcha.
So yesterday night I was preparing that.
Okay.
Today evening my wife is ready already. She's waiting at home for shopping and to make all the preparations. Tomorrow early morning we have the puja and all rituals.
Cool.
So by the time I complete that and come to office, I am sure I can definitely complete something.
Sure. Well, you do whatever you need to do. This is a very
Yeah, but
large task.
afternoon, yeah, sure, we'll take some time. We definitely need your guys, I mean, your team. Whenever you guys have any time available, we are ready to take it.
Okay. Gotcha.
We don't want to miss that chance. So sweet. Yes.
The other thing too, I'm gonna email you like my phone number if you need something like on the weekend, and then just call me. I don't know that like if I don't answer, like I'll be at least watching it, so that way I can at least call you
So where
back.
do you stay?
I'm over at like 14 Mile and Grossbeck, so I'm like east side, like that way.
14 miles.
Yeah. So 313 463 0658. So I know we're about to have like a long weekend too. So like I said, if you like decide you're gonna sit and work on something, hopefully you don't do too much work on the weekend. But if you decide that you're going to just and you need something, just give me a call.
313-463.
Yep, 0658. You just leave me a message or shoot me a text right now or something. And then like I said, hopefully you don't have to do too much work on the weekend. If you do, just let me know. Yeah.
Thank you, Josh. Yeah. And today we have a movie release. Yes, let's continue with sports. There is a problem. Everyone has their part in mind. She is our guru man. If she says yes, it's right, it's right. Do you think we'll get onto leaderboard today? ये अवेलेबल जितना टाइम यहाँ पे बैठेगी उतना टाइम करवाएंगे जब तक उसको कुछ कोई आके दिला के लेके जाएगा बट someone interviews we cannot do it. इससे This guy gives me a call and he will say, you bring your car back, we will give you a new car. No, you need not pay any extra money. That is what is interesting to me. Dealer है. Yeah. From where I bought the car. That is what's going on in my mind. My wife's SUV. I took that one year back, 2013, August, September. You return that car, we'll give you a brand new car. Same payment, same insurance, same everything. लेकिन वो ऑफर क्यों दे रहा है मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया. Yeah, Saturday I took an appointment. I'm doing so. Because the car when I bought, the car cost was 32 grand, 32,000. And I paid another $4,500 just now. गाड़ी को कुछ स्क्रैच हुआ, पेंट गया, या ग्लास में चिप गया, या टायर्स फ्लैट हो गया, रेगुलर मेंटेनेंस होता है, ऑयल चेंज होगा. I will not pay even a single dollar from my pocket until the car reaches 100,000. 100,000 or 3 years. Sorry, 5 years. 5 years. Huh? 5 years. The rule is this: pay 4,500 upfront. Either you have to reach 100,000 miles, or you have to complete 5 years period. But when they are giving the lease, they will say how many miles they give the lease for. Maybe 50,000 miles per year. So which is 45,000 miles. Even if I go beyond, I took it for 100,000. I'm really still surprised. Even if I do that math, 2014 या 2015 का गाड़ी भी देने के लिए तैयार है बंदा. No, he is saying that we will continue the same rate. आपका गाड़ी एक बार अंदर लेके आइए, वो गाड़ी देके same model.
Is the price going down for the cars?
No, market is picking up. कुछ लोचा है इसमें सर.
Oh, we'll find it. That is I think we'll find it. This कौन है? हाँ, नीचे भूल गया तो. Goals. इसका क्या करना है?
Goals.
Goals है. Commission है ना?
हाँ.
Space हो गया.
हाँ.
So these guys, what are you saying? 500.
हाँ.
Box goals. Formula नहीं है इसका. तो box goals.
No. Step के बाद goals पकड़ लेंगे. Because this is sequence, right? क्या मतलब?
I want to simultaneously everything should work. That's what I mean.
But if you are not getting the goal, if you are going with the sales lead goals, कैसे काम चलेगा?
You go with the size which is not related to goals, no? Just diversify traffic conversion. वो सब तो हम कवर कर सकते हैं. एक दिन में हो जाएगा. आज वैसे ही goals का है ना तुम और else goals करके कल सुबह sales वीडियो उसका हम लोगों को सिंक भी नहीं करना है. इसके साथ कुछ भी नहीं करना है.
उसके बाद goals करवाएंगे. एक घंटा बाद. ओह मैन, ये सब कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है.